Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about frostbite. And stick around for the end, as we're going to tell you about rest more. So what is frostbite? Frostbite refers to the freezing of body tissue that results when the blood vessels contract, reducing blood flow and oxygen to the affected body parts. Normal sensation is lost, and color changes also occur in these tissues. Frostbite is most likely to affect body parts that are farther away from the body core, and therefore have less blood flow. These include your feet, toes, hands, fingers, nose, and ears. There are 3 degrees of cold injury: frost nip, superficial frostbite, and deep frostbite. Although children, older people, and those with circulatory problems are at greater risk for frostbite, most cases occur in adults between 30 and 49.
Pretty messed up, huh?
The hideousness of that foot will haunt my dreams forever.
Oh yeah, I've heard that before.
If you develop frostbite, you may not realize at first that anything is wrong, because the affected area may be numb. With prompt medical attention, most people recover fully from frostbite. Although, as you saw in the pictures, it can also cause severe blistering and tissue loss. Have you ever had frostbite? Leave us a comment below with your worst winter story. I'd also be curious to see which of our viewers lives the furthest north. Comment below with your location. I live on the 45th parallel, which is halfway between the equator and the North Pole. And right now, it's pretty cold. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Adios.
Are you looking for better sleep? Then check out Rest More. It is an all-natural sleep aid available at www.buyrestmore.com.